Hey y'all, it's Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button to get all the latest videos. And if you find this particular video helpful, do hit that like button. It really does help out the channel. And feel free to share with a friend and comment in the comment section if you have any questions. I do typically respond. So today's product that I want to cover is a white noise machine by a company called Roffie. This is the box it comes in. Everything's well packaged, nice compact box. I will include a link in the description which will take you to Amazon if you want to check it out for yourself, pick one up, or do some more research on it. But if you are new to the concept of white noise machines, I really do recommend them. We got used to it with my son when he was born. We had a white noise machine in his room. Highly recommend it for newborns. It really does help with their sleeping. And then we got used to it and enjoy it because it helps block out the ambient sounds of living in an urban city, and has helped us sleep better. So if you have issues sleeping or there's just a lot of distracting noises outside, I do recommend picking one of these up. Now, this particular white noise machine is a digital based. There's kind of two concepts. There's one that's a digital based and one that's a fan based. The digital ones are the more popular and they come with a lot more settings and features. So let's go over everything you're going to get when you buy this. Once you open it up, like I said, everything was well packaged. You're going to get the white noise machine device itself, which I already have hooked up here. You're going to get a USB cable that can plug into a standard USB outlet. They're also going to ship you a brick here, so that way if you don't have a USB outlet, you can use this to plug it into your wall socket. And then they're going to include an instruction booklet, which is in multiple languages, in case you have any questions or comments on the device itself. But let's go over all the details. So we'll start with the back here. You plug it in right here with micro USB. Then this little switch right here, it has 3 modes. So you can set it for where it has a timer mode. So it'll automatically turn off after 30 minutes, automatically turn off after 60 minutes, or have it on to where it runs continuously. That's the feature we personally like, is it runs all night long. And then it has a headphone jack. I guess if you want to hook this up to headphones and listen to the white noise via that. I've never really used this, but that is an option in case maybe your partner doesn't like it or whatnot. Now, what makes this white noise machine more unique is it also has a built-in nightlight, so it's perfect for kids' rooms. And as you can see, it kind of has this pulsating amber glow. And on the top here is how you control that. So there is this center little button. You can press that, and it will dim down or turn off. So it has kind of those 3 options. Also on the front here will tell you that it's got power. And then you have your various little settings, and there's a little light that is by each one kind of letting you know what setting it's on. So the first one is kind of a fan sound, and each one of these have multiple options under it, so it has a lot of features. Then it goes to more of a staticky white noise. Then it goes to more of kind of a nature-ish sound and thunder clouds, streams and rivers and heartbeats and everything. So we're going to go through all those here in a minute, so you'll kind of hear some of the different actions. So now on the front here is you got your power button and plus and minus, which will turn up the volume or down the volume. This button will cycle through each one of these modes, and then there's a little downward arrow button here that will change with the modes within each setting. My only complaint with this particular model is I wish these little buttons here, they actually were filled in with kind of the gray that you see here, so it's easier to see. The buttons are kind of hard to see, but that's really my only complaint. Once you kind of get it set up to the setting that you like, very rarely you're going to ever touch those. It also, worth pointing out, it has 4 little stickers down here that keep it from sliding, so it stays put. But let's go ahead, and I'm going to cycle through the sounds just so you can hear the various different options. So we will hit the power button. That's it. Plus and minus buttons. Switcher. Okay, so that's all the various sound options. As you see, it has a wide range. I do want to mention something. I said these backwards. The down arrow runs between each one of these, and then the kind of two arrows going in a circle is what cycles between each sub mode. But other than that, like I said, it gives you a lot of options. Obviously, there is some sounds in here that personally would drive me crazy, especially under the heartbeat options where there's like ticking sounds, but each person's unique, and that's what's great about it, is it gives you lots of options to find the right background sound that fits you. So that is basically it. Like I said, if you have any questions or comments, I do typically respond, so feel free to hit me up in the comment section, and I will include a link in the description. Be sure to check that out. It will take you straight to Amazon, and you can look at the product itself, purchase it, whatever you want to do. And until the next video, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you're a rock star. You made it to the end of the video. Now, if you really want to become a legend, help me out, hit that subscribe button. And then it always helps also if you hit that like button and share these videos. Till the next one, you guys take it easy.